Class 10th Geography. Today we shall discuss about the lesson 2 Forest and Wild Life Resources. First topic Flora and Fauna. India is one of the world's richest countries in terms of its vast array of biological diversity. This is possibly twice or thrice the number yet to be discovered. Some estimates suggest that at least 10% of India's recorded wild flora and 20% of its mammals are unthreatened. List. No one can say how many species may have already been lost. Let us now understand the different categories of existing plants and animal species. Number first, normal species. Species whose population level are considered to be normal for their survival. Examples cattle, sal, pine, rodents, etc. Number second, endangered species. These are species which are in danger of extinction. The survival of such species is difficult if the negative factors that have led to a decline in their population continue to operate. For example, black buck, crocodile, Indian wild ass, etc. Third, vulnerable species. These are species whose population has declined to level from where it is likely to move into the endangered category in the near future if the negative factors continue to operate. For examples, blue sheep, Asiatic elephants, etc. Number 4. Rare species. Species with small population may move into endangered or vulnerable category if the negative factors affecting them continue to operate. For example, Himalayan brown bear, wild Asiatic buffalo, etc. Number 5. Endemic species. These are species which are only found in some particular area, usually isolated by natural or geographical barriers. For example, Andaman teal, Nicobar pagans, etc. 6. Extinct species. These are species which are not found after searches of known or likely areas where they may occur. A species may be extinct from a local area, continent, or the entire earth. For example, Asiatic cheetah, pink head, pink head duck, etc.